Here we go with part number 5 in Autodesk Fusion 360. We're going to start with a sketch. We'll make this one from the front as well. So let's start with a rectangle for the whole part. And we'll have to make that 2.5 tall by 4 wide. So that's the whole part. Then I think what we'll do is let's make a rectangle up here in the corner that we'll subtract. And that's a 1 by 1. And then we'll do another one over here as well. One last rectangle. I'm just going to make sure that I lock onto the bottom. And it's going to be 0.5 tall by 3 long. Just make sure that you dimension it so that it's a 0.5 from the side so that it's centered. Click on the spot that we want to keep, right click, press pull. Oops, I guess I missed. So what I can do is I can pick it here, press pull, and we have to extrude that a distance of 2.5. And the part's done. There it is. That was the easiest one yet.